No Days BailBond allows you to attach a bail or finding to your jewelry and wear it instantly because as soon as it cools, it's cured. Begin by cutting a piece of bail bond just slightly longer than your bail. As it's heated, the bail bond will pull in and fill any gaps. Make a sandwich with the bail bond, and pendant. For this video, we'll be using the heat gun available from Struder Technologies. Turn the heat gun on low and begin to heat the piece from 4 to 6 inches away. In order to avoid thermal shock when heating thicker pieces of glass, you don't want to concentrate the heat in any one spot for too long. By moving the heat gun in small circles, you get a more even and gradual heat. You can slowly move the heat gun closer to the piece as you heat. Depending upon the size and thickness of the pieces that you're heating, the process takes between 30 seconds and a minute. Having a pair of tweezers handy helps to touch, hold in place, and move any pieces that may be too hot to the touch. When you feel the pieces start to glide slightly, then you know that the pendant, bail, and bail bond have all come together. Let the piece cool slightly and turn it over to inspect the back side. You may need to heat a little longer. Here I could see the bail bond hadn't fully melted at the bottom of the bail. As it's heated, it pulls back under the bail. Bail bond is available in 2-foot rolls in clear, pewter, or black, allowing you to match your jewelry or findings exactly. I've used black for this pendant because it blends right in. If any of the adhesive pushes out from under the bail, I won't have to clean up at all. In less than 2 minutes, with no grinding, no toxic fumes, no sticky mess, and no waiting for hours, this pendant is ready to wear. Visit our video gallery at struder.com for more tips and tricks for working with No Days BailBond.